So hello everyone and welcome to my channel Madam Axe. So from today I'm going to start a new series which will be related to the tips and techniques to grow your YouTube channel if you are thinking to start a new YouTube channel. And mind it that this decision of yours is going to be a very good decision, and if you are thinking to start your YouTube channel, then just don't think, start it now because it will be worth it in the end. And yes, I'll be telling you about some tips which I have learned from my YouTube experience till date, and these tips no one is going to tell you. So watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel, do like the video and share the video with your friends, because in the end I'm going to tell you some important categories which are paid more than the categories than other categories which are paid less on YouTube. So this is a very important video, watch it till the end. Let's start with the tips. So our tip number 1 is the language of your video. Yes, language plays a very important role in your YouTube video, because if you make your videos in English language, then chances are there that more viewers will be able to view your video and understand the video, because on a global level English is spoken a lot more than any other language. And if people from developed countries like USA, etc. watch your videos, then advertisers from USA will send ads on your videos and this will get you paid more. So if you make your videos in English, only it is not compulsory, but if you know English, then you should start your videos or channel in English, because it will help you a lot to get more global advantage, and your channel will be watched on a global level. So this is going to help you a lot to get more views and get paid more. So tip number 2 is don't think about money in the beginning. Yes, because in the beginning you have to work a lot. This is not a one-day process or one-night process. You have to give it time. You need patience for your YouTube channel to grow, because in the beginning around 40 to 50 videos won't get so many views or fame, and you have to keep on working on them and making your videos better one after the other. You have to improve your videos, you have to improve your content, because in the beginning if you'll think about money, then your creativity will die at that moment only. So if you start thinking about money from the beginning, then your creativity won't be there and you won't be able to give your best in the video creation process. So just focus on the content first and then think about money after you become eligible for that. So tip number 3 is be consistent with your content or your videos. Yes, consistency is very important when it comes to YouTube, because in the beginning you need to upload one video every day, at least one. This is the minimum thing I'm telling you. If you want, you can upload 2 or 3 videos per day, but the more you will upload every day, the more views, the more subscribers you are gonna get, because once you stop your consistency, your subscribers start decreasing, your views start decreasing, your watch time starts decreasing, and you need to complete a target of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which is not very easy if you don't be consistent. So if you be consistent, if you'll be consistent and upload videos every day, then obviously your channel will grow very soon and you'll be able to complete that target very soon. So now coming to the 4th tip. The 4th tip is that create your thumbnails before creating your video. Yes, this is a very important thing. No one is going to tell you this, because when you create your thumbnails before the video, it is more attractive, you pay more attention to it, and it comes out to be more unique, more beautiful. But if you create your thumbnails after creating your videos, then you are like, that video has been made, now you'll be in a hurry to create the thumbnail and you'll think that as soon as possible I should upload this video. Just forget about the thumbnail, let it be whatever it is. So just don't do this. Create your thumbnails one day before the video, and the other day you can create your video and then present your video with a beautiful thumbnail, because until and unless your packaging of your product is attractive, customers aren't going to buy it. So the thumbnail is like the packaging of your product. So please pay attention to the packaging, that is the thumbnail of your videos, and this will help you a lot. So now coming to the fifth and the bonus tip, which obviously no one else is going to tell you. So I'm going to tell you about the few categories which get paid more on YouTube than the other categories. That is, the CPM or the cost per 1,000 impressions on those videos or on those categories is more than the other ones. So the categories which pay you more, this is very important, so please like the video before that. Okay. So the categories which pay you more are related to finance, videos related to finance, related to insurance, related to loans, related to entrepreneurship, and videos related to medical and healthcare, or videos related to blogging or SEO, that is search engine optimization, and videos related to some technical technology or gadget reviews. They'll pay you more than the categories. The categories which pay you less are like related to comedy or news, because in comedy or news videos you'll get views earlier than the previous category, but they won't pay you as much as those categories. So if you are thinking to start your new YouTube channel, then don't just think once, twice or thrice every day. Just start working on it with these tips, and keep in mind the categories which are gonna pay you more. Okay, and if you want more such videos, then please comment below and also give me your feedbacks in the comment, and do subscribe my channel. Okay, so today only this much. We'll meet soon in another important videos. Till then, keep watching, keep supporting Madam Axe.